Why is crop rotation a historical farmland management strategy? Imagine a time when farmers noticed their fields produced less each year. They realized planting the same crop repeatedly wore out the soil and invited pests. To fix this, they started changing what they grew in each field. This idea, called crop rotation, has been around for thousands of years. It helps keep the soil healthy, fights pests and diseases, and boosts crop yields over time. Early farmers in ancient civilizations like those in the Near East, China, Greece, and Rome used simple systems. They often divided land into 2 or 3 parts, planting different crops each year. For example, the 3-field system divided land into 3 sections. One was planted, one rested, and one was left fallow. This method increased food production and included legumes that add nitrogen to the soil naturally. Different crops affect soil and pests in unique ways. Legumes, like beans and peas, fix nitrogen in the soil, reducing the need for chemical fertilizers. Other crops can break pest cycles by interrupting their life stages. Cover crops, like clover or grasses, protect soil from erosion and add organic matter, improving soil structure and water retention. Over time, farmers added more crops to rotations, especially after discovering new plants from the Americas like maize and potatoes. They developed longer rotations, sometimes with 4 or 5 different crops, to improve soil health and productivity. The Norfolk 4-course rotation, for example, included wheat, turnips, barley, and clover, which eliminated fallow periods and boosted yields. Crop rotation remains important today for farmland management and investment. Proper planning can increase land value by maintaining soil health and reducing input costs for fertilizers and pesticides. It also helps stabilize yields, making farms more resilient to market changes and weather conditions. Farmers and landowners carefully select crops based on soil type, pest pressure, and market demand. They often include deep-rooting legumes and a mix of grains and sod, forming crops to get the best results. Planning rotations is a balancing act that considers short-term profits and long-term farm health. In short, crop rotation is a practice with deep roots in history because it keeps soil fertile, controls pests, and supports sustainable farming. Its principles still guide modern farmland management and investment decisions. By understanding and applying crop rotation strategies, farmers can keep their land productive for generations to come.